Hello and welcome to Case Management 202, Referrals and Referral Report. I am Retrainer HMIS Program Specialist, Cindy Flores. For the next 2 minutes, we'll be working in ServicePoint. In this session, I will be showing you how to add referrals to clients as well as run a referral report. Please note that if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the HMIS Help Desk via email at hmissupport@cir.org or by phone or text at 602-908-3605. Thank you, and let's get started. Let's talk about why we would make a referral. The reasons an agency would document referrals in HMIS is to capture unmet needs in the community and gaps in services. Currently, if your agency cannot provide a service for your client, then you refer them somewhere else. HMIS allows you to track who you are referring your clients to, for what reason, and how often. For this demonstration, I will pull up a test client. So to the left of the screen, on the menu bar, click on Client Point. In the client search, you can search your client by the client's name or HMIS ID number if you have that available. I have it available, so I'm going to go ahead and type it in and then click Submit. Once on the client's profile, to add a referral, click on the Service Transactions tab to the far back of the smaller tabs. On the Service Transaction dashboard, click on the button Add Referrals. There are multiple ways to add referrals. Here is one example. We highly recommend to make referrals on primary clients, also known, if you're working with the family, the head of household. Scroll down to the Service Code Quick List. Select the client's need from the Service Code Quick List by highlighting the need. For this example, I'm going to search for housing/shelter. Once my need is highlighted, down at the bottom, click the Add Terms button. You can choose more than one. This Service Code Quick List requires initial setup by the HMIS team. If you don't have a quick list or if you have an incomplete list, please contact us. Scroll down to the Referral Provider Quick List section. Choose the provider you're going to refer your client to from the drop-down list. For this example, I'm going to choose Arizona Housing, Inc. Click on that, and then to the right, click Add Provider. You can add more than one. This Referral Provider Quick List requires initial setup by the HMIS team. If you don't have a quick list or if you have an incomplete list, please contact us. Then scroll down to the Referrals section towards the bottom of the page. And ensure the need is chosen and linked to the referral provider by checkmarking the appropriate box. Then go down to the Selected Needs section and leave the need status set as Identified, but change the outcome to Service Pending from the drop-down list. Please use Service Pending for the outcome because we don't know yet that the client will definitely receive the service. Then click the Save All button at the very bottom. You will be returned to the Referrals preview pane once you've saved. You will see the summary of the referrals you have made for your client. Another example to add a referral. Click on the Add Referral button underneath the sub-assessment. For this example, I'm going to refer my client over to Homeless Financial Assistance Programs. This is a term that we use when we refer our clients to rapid rehousing or homeless prevention projects. So let's go down to the Service Code Quick List. I'm going to choose Homeless Financial Assistance Programs. Select the need, make sure it's highlighted, and then click the Add Terms button below. You can choose more than one. Let's say I already know of an agency who provides rapid rehousing and I just want to document my referral in HMIS. Scroll down to the Refine provider search criteria. For this example, I'm going to search the agency I'm going to refer to, which is A New Leaf. And then click the search button. Now let's go down to the search results. In the selected area, click on the green plus sign icon to the left of the provider's name. Scroll down to the Referrals section and ensure that the need is linked to the correct provider by checkmarking the appropriate box if it isn't already. Then let's go down to the Selected Needs section and leave the need status set as Identified, but change the outcome to Service Pending. And then click the Save All button. You'll be returned to the Referrals preview pane once you've saved. Another example to add a referral. Click on Add Referral. Let's go down to the Service Code Quick List, and I'm going to refer my client over to Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services. So in the Service Code Quick List, I'm going to search for that need, highlight it, and then click Add Terms. You can choose more than one. The system automatically populates in the search all agencies within Arizona who provide these types of services. Now let's scroll down to the search results. And in the search results, we see showing 1 of 10 of 892. So in this section above, I'm going to refine my search because I don't want to search through all of those. So here you can refine the search by city or by zip code. I'm going to refine my search by zip code. Type in the zip code and then click the search button to the left. Now let's scroll down and see what we have. We have showing 1 of 10 of 428. I know what agency I want to refer my client to. So I'm going to choose Teros. So in the alphabet above, you can sort by letter. So I'm going to choose the T. So here in the T's, we find Teros. I'm going to go over to the second page because it's showing 1 of 10 of 33. So here we have Teros Mental Health Services and Teros Substance Abuse Treatment on 27th Ave. I'm going to choose the first one. Here you can view the provider's information by clicking the provider's name. And here you can view the information if you're unsure of what they provide exactly. You can read the description, and here are the services that they provide, and there's some service information also down below. In the Primary Services section, you can add the provider by clicking the Add Referral button to the left of the appropriate service. So for this example, I'm going to choose Client's Psychiatric Evaluation. Click Add Referral. It'll automatically add it for me. It drops it down to the selected providers. You can choose more than one. Now let's scroll down to the Referrals section. There are two needs now because the primary service code name was a little different from the service code quick list name. Delete the extra need below. You only need one. And ensure that the appropriate service is linked to the appropriate referral by clicking this box. Now let's go down to the Selected Needs section, leave the Needs status set as Identified, but change the outcome to Service Pending. Then click the Save All button. You'll be returned to the Referrals preview pane once you've saved. Another example on how to add a referral. Click the Add Referral button. You are not limited to service or needs in the Service Code Quick List section. You have the capacity to search the AIRS taxonomy by searching for a service. Before using the service code lookup, you should always ask your supervisor's permission before deviating from the list and looking up a code from the AIRS taxonomy. Click the button Service Code Lookup. In the AIRS taxonomy pop-up search, there is a box at the top right-hand corner. Here's where you can search by term. So for this example, I'm going to search for food pantries. So I have to add in the service here. Then click Search. If you're unsure which need or service to choose, you can click this View link, and the information is viewed to the right in the Details section. And here is a definition of exactly what the service is. To add the term, click the Select button to the left of the service. It will be moved to the selected service code section here. Click the button Submit at the bottom. Scroll down to the Provider Search Criteria. Here you can refine your search by either city or zip code. I'm going to choose, again, a search by zip code. Then click the Search button. In the search results, choose a desired provider by clicking the provider name. So for this example, I'm going to choose ICM Food and Clothing Bank. In the Primary Services section, you can add the provider by clicking the Add Referral button to the right of the appropriate referral, the appropriate service. So I'm going to choose Food Pantry Service, then click Add Referral. Scroll down to the Referrals section and ensure the need is linked to the correct provider by checkmarking the appropriate box if it isn't already checked. Let's go down to the Selected Needs section. Leave the need status set at Identified, but change the outcome to Service Pending. Then click the Save All button at the very bottom. You'll be returned to the Referrals preview pane once you've saved. If you make a mistake and need to delete a referral, please contact the HMIS Help Desk for further assistance. Now I'm going to show you how to run a referral report. On the menu bar, click on the button Reports to the left of the screen. The referrals report purpose is to either show incoming referrals to your project from other agencies or to show outgoing referrals you have made to other agencies. I would demonstrate both ways to run the report. On the report dashboard, find the button Referrals and click on that. Here we're going to build a report. Ensure the correct provider is selected. In the referral type quick list, here you can choose incoming referrals to provider or outgoing referrals to provider. For this example, I'm going to choose outgoing referrals from provider. The referral status, you can choose if you want to see outstanding, closed, or all referrals. Then choose the date range the referrals you want to see. For this example, I'm going to choose 1/1/2014 to 3/25/2015. You can choose to customize the sort order by clicking the Select button. Here's a list of available columns. You can choose if you want to sort by the client's name. You can highlight the need and then click the Add button to select to the column. You can also choose Refer To so you can see the referring agencies that you're referring to. Click the Add button to add it. But I'm not going to sort, so I'm just going to click Cancel so you can see how it sorts. Then click the button to the right, Build Report. And here's the report. It's organized by referral date, client name, group ID, ranking if you put that in the referral data section, the VI SPDAT also in the referral data section. Here's the service. Referred by is your agency, and the referred to is the agency, of course, who you made the referral out to. Click the Export button, Export Report button to send it to Excel, and here you can download it to your desktop. But I don't want to download that, so just click Cancel. Now I'm going to show you how to build a report for incoming referrals. So I'm going to leave this defaulted. I'm going to change the referral type to incoming referrals. I'm going to leave the same date range and everything just the same. And click Build Report. And here we have incoming referrals to my agency. So we have the referral date, name, the referral data ranking, and the VI SPDAT score, the need type, referred by, and of course my agency is referred to. You can click the Export button to download the referral. With this, we have completed the demonstration. Now I will give you a quick summary to recap. As a reminder, these are key points that we touched during the training video. To access referrals, go to the Service Transactions tab on the client record. Referrals are made when you're unable to provide a service to a client. When working with the family, the referrals must be made through the head of household. Referral providers can be found either in the Referral Provider Quick List section or in the Search Provider section. In the Selected Needs section, the need status must be set as Identified, and the outcome is usually set as Service Pending. To check for outstanding referrals, go to the Reports button on the menu bar to build a report. As a reminder, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the HMIS Help Desk via email at hmissupport@cir.org or by phone or text at 602-908-3605. By following these steps and working through the system, you have completed training on Case Management 202 Referrals and Referral Report. Thank you, and please refer back to your training confirmation email for further instructions.